there, beautiful. Listen, if you're a woman over 50 who's sick of the diet hamster wheel and finally ready to get off the ride, you are in the right place. Maybe you've heard about keto. Maybe your sister-in-law's lost 20 pounds eating butter and bacon. Maybe your doctor side-eyed you when you mentioned it. And maybe part of you thinks that sounds too extreme, too trendy, or just too confusing. But here's the truth. Keto's not extreme. It's strategic. And it's hands down the best place to start when your body feels stuck, tired, inflamed, and like it's running on fumes instead of fuel. And spoiler alert, I'm not talking about perfect macros or measuring your ketones every day. I'm talking about something far more important. Metabolic healing that works with your lifestyle and with your hormones. So let's go ahead and dive in because your body isn't broken, it's just out of fuel. We'll start with a little biology, shall we? Your body runs on two main fuel sources, glucose from carbs and ketones from fat. Most women spend decades running on glucose, and after years of blood sugar roller coasters, midnight snack habits, and hangry afternoons, the engine's a bit fried. And it's not your fault. It's the food system. Enter ketogenics, a way of eating that teaches your body to burn fat for fuel by reducing carbs and increasing healthy fats. When you lower your carb intake, your blood sugar stabilizes, your insulin drops. Insulin is the fat storage hormone, by the way. Your liver starts producing ketones, and suddenly your brain turns on and lights up. Your energy returns and your pants start buttoning without a prayer. It's like going from rickety gas station burrito to premium grade fuel. Your body loves it, and more importantly, it remembers how to thrive. So let's talk cravings. How many diets have you tried because you were just so hungry? Like chewing your arm off hungry. That doesn't happen on keto because fat is satisfying. And when you eat fat, your body produces leptin, a hormone that tells your brain, hey, we're full, we're good, put down the fork. Plus, you're not white-knuckling your way through rice cakes and sadness. You're eating eggs with butter, steak with asparagus, chicken thighs with avocado, cheese, yes, cheese, and dare I say it, fat bombs. You're going to love these yummy little babies, both sweet and savory options. This is a lifestyle, not a punishment, and that's why it works long term. When you're satisfied, you stop obsessing about your next meal and start living your life again. And isn't that what it's all about? So let's be honest. We all love a quick win, especially when we've been stuck in a plateau of purgatory, dare I say, for years, maybe decades. With keto, many women see results in the first week. I'm serious. And I see this every time. Women think, I wish, but it will never happen to me. And then boom, in the first 7 to 10 days, bloating disappears, clothes fit better, blood sugar improves, that stubborn menopause belly starts to budge, and brain fog, bye-bye. And it's not just about vanity. Though I fully support you wanting to feel really cute in those jeans, it's about momentum, and keto gives it to you fast. Nothing motivates like results, and keto delivers. Now let's get real about midlife for a minute. If you're over 50, your hormones have likely been throwing a toddler tantrum. Estrogen's dipping, cortisol spiking, insulin's whispering, let's store all the fat right here in the belly. Sound familiar? Keto is like sending a therapist for your endocrine system. Here's how. Lower carbs equals lower insulin. That alone helps reduce fat storage, especially around the midsection. More healthy fat equals hormone support. Your body makes hormones from cholesterol. Fat is not the enemy. Fat is fuel for hormone balance. Steady blood sugar equals less cortisol drama. No more hangry highs and shaky crashes. I've had clients go from feeling like hormonal hurricanes to grounded, centered, and even keeled just from shifting their fuel source. Changing doesn't have to be a full body smackdown. When Women come to me after decades of dieting, deprivation, and the just eat less and move more approach. Their bodies are exhausted. Their adrenals are shot. Their digestion is a mess. Their sleep is wrecked, and relationships with food complicated, to put it nicely. We start simple. We lower sugar. We add healthy fats. We prioritize salt, minerals, hydration. We ditch processed carbs and focus on real food. Simple. And the results speak for themselves because keto meets you where you are. No boot camp mentality, no starving, just rebuilding, trusting your body bite by bite. Now, let me be clear, you do not have to hit perfect macros to start keto. This isn't a game of macro twister. It's about learning how food affects your energy, becoming aware of hunger cues, eating meals that keep you full and stable, and letting your body lead the way. Every smart choice adds up. Some of my clients start with one keto meal a day and gradually shift the rest. That's enough. It takes longer that way for sure, but if it makes you feel more in control, go for it. You don't need to flip your kitchen, your life, or your body upside down overnight. You just need to start. So here's what I love most. Keto's the foundation, not the finish line. I was keto for 15 years before I took the next step. And the fact is, if you stay right with keto for your whole life, you're far better off than where you started. Once your metabolism starts humming and your body trusts you again, you can adapt. You can personalize. You can explore other strategies if you want to. You're not stuck. You're not broken. You just need a smarter strategy, and keto is it. So if you're thinking, I'm ready, but I don't want to do something extreme, or I want results, but I don't want to starve or count points or cry into a rice cake, then girl, keto was made for you. It's simple, it's doable, it's effective, and it honors your body in all the right ways. I've guided women through this lifestyle for over a decade, and I've seen it change lives. Because it's not just about weight, it's about energy, clarity, confidence, and freedom. So if you're ready to take that first step, I've got your back. Drop a comment below. If you like this video, give me a quick thumbs up and tell me your light bulb moment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want more information, check out Love and Life Over 50 website or click the link in the description. Here's to loving life and your body after 50. You're just getting started. And until next time, be good to yourself and be good to others.